There are numerous items accessible to high chairs. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best high chairs from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐤 Slim Snacker High Chair. The 𝐂𝐤 Slim Snacker High Chair is the ultra-fast folding high chair with a 1-hand 1-second fold. Once folded, it's ultra-compact, so it fits in small spaces, and is self-standing for easy storage. Cleaning this slim high chair is a snap. 2. Just wipe the seat down to keep your child's dining space tidy. A large mesh storage basket is perfect for storing extra bibs and wipes, and a full-size cup holder keeps their cup in place. The 3-position reclining seat, footrest, and seat pad keep your child comfy during meals and snacks. 𝐂𝐤 Slim Snacker is the ultra-fast folding high chair with a 1-hand 1-second fold. Moms and dads will love how easy it is. Once folded, it's ultra-compact, so it fits in small spaces, and is self-standing for easy storage. Cleaning this slim high chair is a snap. 2. Just wipe the seat pad down to keep your child's dining space tidy. Number 2. 𝐂𝐡𝐞 Simple Fold High Chair. Make mealtimes at home or on the go with your baby easy and fun with the 𝐂𝐡𝐞 Elephant Square Simple Fold High Chair with 3-position tray. Lightweight and stable, with a simple, no-nonsense design, this portable high chair quickly folds flat after mealtimes for storage out of sight, or for packing easily into the car. A full-size tray with cup holder accommodates 3 positions to adjust the chair with your growing child. The high chair's wipeable seat pad makes cleanup quick and easy. Specially designed for travel, this high chair folds down quickly and easily for meals on the go. Sturdy, reinforced legs and a 3-point safety harness keeps babies up to 50 pounds safe and secure in the high chair. A built-in leg rest keeps little feet comfortable. This high chair is JPMA certified, meets ASTM standards for safety, and includes a 1-year limited warranty. For more than 70 years, 𝐂𝐡𝐞 has been a leading children's product brand recognized for its dedication to safety and value. Number 3. Baby Trend Sit Right High Chair. This Baby Trend High Chair in our new bobbleheads collection offers style, safety, ease of use and convenience as your little one starts to experience different tastes, flavors and textures. Your baby will be safe and comfortable during mealtime with this sturdy and feature-packed high chair. The Sit Right Height adjustable high chair is easy to clean, and the serving tray is dishwasher safe, plus it offers 3 positions in 1-hand operation. The 3-point safety harness, 3-position seat recline and 6 different height adjustments provide maximum comfort for your baby and convenience for you. This Baby Trend High Chair is a breeze to assemble, so you can start using it right away. 22 watts x 27 liters x 39.5 intended for child that can sit upright unassisted up to 40 pounds. Use mild soap and wipe with damp cloth. Number 4. 𝐠 𝐤𝐿 High Chair featuring 4. 𝐠 is an American company that makes vibrant, high-quality gear for your family. Say goodbye to ugly patterns and throw away construction. You can use 𝐠's products until they've been run ragged by the memories you make as a family. 𝐠 is a compact and user-friendly baby high chair that comes ready to unfold, feed, clean up, fold up, and hit the road. Its dishwasher-safe swing tray can be opened with 1 hand, so you can wrangle the chair while you wrangle your kids, and its waterproof leatherette cover can be cleaned easily, without using harsh chemical products. 𝐠 made the 𝐂𝐞 without flame retardants, phthalates, BPAs, BPS, or lead, so your child will always be safe from exposure to harmful industrial materials. Number 5. 𝐂𝐤 Duodiner LX High Chair. 𝐂𝐤 Duodiner LX High Chair Metropolis. Introduce your little diner to family mealtimes with our 𝐂𝐤 Duodiner 3-in-1 high chair. The high chair that grows with your child from infant to toddler and converts to a space-saving booster. It has a 5-position height adjustment that helps you position baby at the family table. Its 3-position, 1-hand adjustable reclining seat and infant head and body support help ensure baby's every meal is a comfortable one. And its high chair frame is designed to easily stow away when you're using booster mode. The high chair that grows with your child from infant to toddler and converts to a space-saving booster. It has a 5-position height adjustment that helps you position baby at the family table. Its 3-position, 1-hand adjustable reclining seat and infant head and body support help ensure baby's every meal is a comfortable one. And its high chair frame is designed to easily stow away when you're using booster mode.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.